Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to add a drop-down menu in Squarespace. So come to your Pages section, click on the little plus icon, and what you want to do is scroll down to Folder. We're giving our folder a name. Now this is what will appear on your navigation menu, so I'm going to call this one Services. And now all you would do is you would drag in your pages if you have them. So for example, if I create a page called Consulting, I could drag that into the folder, or I could just click on Add Page if I haven't yet created it and maybe put workshops in here like so. And as you see, if I hover over the Services tab on the navigation, you will now see the drop down of Consulting and Workshops. Now when it comes to index pages, they unfortunately can't be dragged into your services or any of your drop down menus. So what you want to do here is click on Add Page, scroll down to Link to give it a title. So I'm going to put Hire Me, and then on the link you would just manually type in the link to the index page. Click Save, and now even though it's a link, it will appear on the drop down and you can click on it and it will take you to the index page. And there you have it, those nifty folders come in handy. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you found it valuable. If you did, give it a thumbs up and share it out with your friends on social media. And say hello in the comments section, I'll join you there. My name is Chloe, I am your digital marketing sidekick here to help you publish, teach and sell online. So if that's something that you're into, also be sure to hit the subscribe button and click the little bell icon so that you can be notified next time I post a video. Have a beautiful day wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you again real soon.